We are still doing some pre-Canada Day long weekend shenanigans out here. It is Wednesday. Been out here for like 2 weeks. Almost, anyway. And it's just been raining every day, so we haven't really done much riding. Sucks. Hey, fuck you, cows! The cows have just been waking us up every morning, bumping into our vehicles, shitting all over camp. Something nasty flew in my mouth. Oh yeah, it is slick today. My front tire could probably use, holy butterflies, a couple more PSI. Tons of butterflies, but where are the dragonflies this year? Looks like I finally got my speedometer to work again. And it appears the connections were all dirty, corroded, and not really connected. Because the connections on this bike fucking suck. The wires just go through this plate and rely on that shitty plastic tab to hold it all together. Hey, fuck you, cows! It's gonna get interesting here. Some quad assholes must have cut that out so they can get up here. Not a quad trail, by the way. You good? Ha ha! Ha ha! What's wrong? Let me get over this. Fuck, it's warm out here today. See, that's not much smaller than this, and yet this, mentally, it fucks you up, you know? Fuck. Alright. Better?
It'll work. I'll do it now. They need a new one because
Yeah. No? Oh. I am definitely recording. Fuck. The toe of my boot got stuck on that motherfucker. And in these boots, you really don't have dexterity like without them. Yeah. Oh, that sucked. That was like a decent little crash off the bike, honestly. That hurt. That was ridiculous. Made it over on the bike mostly without crashing. Yeah, I let it down, but I didn't crash like that. On foot though, dangerous out here.
That's a dangerous activity, hiking. Should be regulated. I'm kidding, Please, internet, don't hit me. As big as I thought it was.
That's what she said.
Well, no.
Oh, that's way better. I am wearing very minimal clothing, and I am fucking sweating just standing here.
In days and it's been raining.
Oh, the humidity, that's why.
Yeah, the sun is taking away all the moisture and it's humid.
That's why. And it's not usually, folks, just in case you're wondering, it's usually dry.
Not the people who ride in humid climates there. No, this is nowhere near the ocean. This is high elevation.
There it is. I got a little more style coming through there, but hey, either way that you get the job done works. I was pushing it. I'm missing all the footage of Mike jumping these logs while I'm hooliganing around back here. Now that I'm back on home turf, I really feel the difference in this gearing. I am moving slower for sure, but that was nasty. Shit is pure slime. Why are we going down? We were trying to stay to high. I mean, I know where we're going, but you really gotta take your time in this grass. You really can't see. Fuck, if you didn't know that log was there, that could be a bad time. A lot of butterflies. Big time, yep. The fence is all fucked and everything. stinks back here. That way seems to be the quickest. This should take us straight and then left to the road, the gas well road.
This one also goes there, I wonder.
The left and right are not on the map. Nasty, fuck, it's slippery. Oh no! Fuck! Ah! Holy! Holy! Fucked up the toe cap on my boot. That's what fucked me up this hill. I caught my toe on a fucking branch and it completely stopped my fucking momentum. Whoa.
You gotta go! You gotta go!
Oh man, that humidity is fucking killer. Could be. Could be. it's a shitty driver hiking. That's what I said. I'm like, it could just be some dumb, shitty driver.
Yeah. Looks like we're going to get back at a good time here. Time enough for me to wrap up and get out to the go straight through here, no problem.
Really? Nice. There was a big bridge here. Hey, fuck you, cows! We're out here with Micah going a sawing and a swearing.
Left here. Is there any left here?
We can have a quick peek. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. That was fucking no bueno, dude. Oh, that was sketchy, dude.
Yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, it stopped lugging and then it started fucking going backwards and I'm like, oh, this ain't good. I'm just gonna lift this side, just hang on to it, keep the clutch how it is. All right, let's walk her back slowly here. All right. The thing doesn't have any brakes to begin with, really. So that was bad news. I had full brakes and it didn't help. They just keep failing. As soon as I go in the mud, they fail. Holy. I see. Yeah, let's not go up there.
Yeah. Trikes and hills. Hey, who knew?
Almost, but man, it gets fucking sketchy up there. Like the back brakes, look, that's full back brake and I'm still... No, don't. I had my truck up there. It's not worth it.